Welcome to Alexander's channel. So jumping into Heygen, on the left hand side you have your menu, and you can see that we have a video avatar that we can create. We can also create an AI voice, which is great, and then we have the AI studio over here, whereas you can manage your projects, templates, your brand kits and your uploads. And then you have the video translation, which allows you to basically create a video and then translate it into a completely different language with lip sync. So it's really a fantastic platform with a lot of different tools for, different types of video creation. So let's go and have a look at one of these. So I'm going to jump into this sample video. Within this sample editor, on the left-hand side, you've got your menus or your tools in it. You have the instant avatar. You also have your photo avatar, and then you have your studio avatar, okay? So basically within here, you can change this avatar. So let's just go into here. You can also add or you can replace. But as you can see, there's some avatars over here that you can choose from. Now, a photo avatar and an instant avatar are two different things. The instant avatar is actually a moving avatar, and the photo avatar is literally just the avatar as it stands. So you can add this in here just by clicking down and dragging, and you can also animate each one of these avatars separately. You can edit everything else here within the editor, such as the text. You can add scenes and so forth. Going into the audio, you can see here on your timeline at the bottom, you have the audio, and this brings up the script option on your toolbar on the left-hand side. Here, you can change your script. You can change the voice. There are some other options, such as the speed, pitch, and volume. You also have the Chatgpt scriptwriter integration, translation. You can apply this voice to your other scripts and a bunch more options. So it really is fantastic. If you go into this option over here where you can see the name and the type of voice, you have a bank of different voices that you can choose from. You can also choose a language, and there are also a few filters that you can choose from. So there's a lot to play around with Heygen, and I think it's a fantastic platform. Let's have a look at Synthesia, which is pretty much the same. If you go into Synthesia, this is what the layout looks like. You've got pretty much the same. You've got your scenes there on the left-hand side. You've got your timeline over here, and you've got your main image. So you want to go ahead, click on any element within this preview over here. And on the right-hand side, you'll see that there are a bunch of options that come up for that specific element. You can also add elements at the top over here. So if you click in on avatar, perhaps you can add one of these avatars into the spaces. You can add different scenes. You can add text, shapes, your own media, and of course you can record. So wanting to change any of these elements, as I mentioned, is quite easy. You can change the size. You can also go to the right-hand side, and you can change all of the elements within. Once you're done, again, you're going to just click on Generate. You can click on the script over here, and you will have your script down at the bottom. You can change the name down here, and the voice, and you can manage your script from down here too. This is, again, also a fantastic little app. It's also super feature-rich, and it's very simple and very sort of plain and straightforward, which I like. Let's jump quickly into the pricing, and as you can see, they both offer a free plan, which obviously is limited. However, the starter plan on Synthesia is $29 a month, and if you have a look at Heygen, it's $24. So it's not a lot of difference in terms of a dollar value. If I have to choose, though, between these two items, I would really think that Heygen is giving a little bit more. They've got a couple more tools, and I think their editor is a little bit more intuitive. What do you folks think? Let us know in the comment section below. I will see you next time. Peace. Welcome to Alexander's Tech and Life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time on Alexander's Tech in Life.